guys, welcome to a new video. Today we will be playing Roblox Full Escape 2 and this game is very hard and I keep dying on some insane, some not, so yeah, this might be hard. I'm actually level 18 and I bought this skin, so I did. And I bought all the tanks except for a rainbow one. So yeah. Finally it's hard. I love hard. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go this way. So I am. Because this way is easier. So I'm gonna get this button off this guy. Nope. He's getting it. I'm not getting it. And this is so easy. I made this one all the time. Sometimes I die. So I might die or I might make it. So yeah. People will get the buttons and I will. I just done a trick, so I did. I got that. I'm gonna survive this. Finally I survived, and can these people just hurry up? So can they? This guy's dead in this coffin. It's increased to insane. Finally, I love insane. Oh man. Someone has to be quick on that button. So someone has to. No one's getting that button. Great. Now we're all dead. It's normal. Okay. This one. Also another trick. You'll see what trick this is, because you can get a button without doing some parkour. So yeah, and you have to be careful on this one, because on this other part there might be acid, so you might die. So yeah. I'm just climbing up that ladder. Come on. What? How did Z get that so quickly? What? Someone's trapped in there. Someone's trapped in there. Hee hee. They'll die. I'm sticking my head in front of the door. So I am. These people. Come on. Sir, you're dead. That guy's dead. It's lava. Oh yeah. Still normal? What? How? How is this still normal? Oh, I love this one. I really love this one. It's so easy. So it is. What? Dactyl's getting that button. This all the time. Huh. Bye.